and welcome to this session on adjustment of tool post. Let us begin with the session.
Let us now look at the objectives of this session. Set correct center height with the help of both linear. Set correct center height with the help of fine adjustment screw. Set correct center height using packing piece. Tool post. It is mounted on the compound rest and is used to carry cutting tools and tool holders. The different types of tool posts are single-way tool post, quick change tool post, and four-way tool post. Tools required for conducting this exercise are single-way tool post, quick change tool post, four-way tool post, single point cutting tool, boat piece, dial gauge, and shims. Let us now learn to adjust the height of the tool on a single-way tool post. Clean the tool post seating face. The tool is positioned on the boat piece and is clamped by the screw. The center height of the tool tip can be adjusted with the help of rocker arm and the ring base. Only one tool can be fixed in the tool post. The tool is clamped with only one screw. Check the center height with a dial gauge. Center height is adjusted by boat piece. Let us now learn to adjust the height of the tool on a quick change tool post. Clean the tool post and tool holder. Tool is fixed on the tool holder and brought near the center. Check the center height with a dial gauge. Center height is adjusted with the help of fine adjustment screw. Tool post has the best rigidity for holding the tool. Once again, check the center height with a dial gauge. Let us now learn to adjust the height of the tool on a four-way tool post. Clean the tool post seating face and place the shims on the seating face. Use minimum number of shims for height adjustment. Shims must be flushed with the edge of the seating face. Place the tool in the tool post on the shims with the tool butting against the wall of the seating face. Tighten the tool with the center screw of the tool post. Check the center height with a dial gauge. Remove or add shims and check the height when the tool is tightened by the center screw. Tighten the other two tool holding screws, alternatively applying the same amount of pressure. When both the screws have a full gripping pressure, tighten the center carefully. Check once again with a dial gauge. To recap, we have learned to set correct center height with the help of boat linear. Set correct center height with the help of fine adjustment screw. Set correct center height using packing piece.
So that's all about adjustment of tool post. See you in the next session.